welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jashaydee and we do vlogs here, makeup here, and we're just diving into a bunch of new things. One of those new things is motherhood. If you're new here, I would love if you did subscribe. Like I mentioned, I am a new mom and I don't have a lot of time to myself anymore. This is Leia's world. I'm just living in it. So I wanted to come on here today and show you guys what I've been doing as far as like makeup is concerned when I do my makeup, just to either feel good or if I want to, you know, get out of the house, from the Starbucks and the Target really quick when I have time to do so, or if we're going to like a baby appointment or something and I just want to, you know, put some makeup on. This makeup normally takes me anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to do. As you can see, I'm literally on my floor and I'm literally moving my legs like this to keep her asleep. So who would have thought? This is mom life, right? I either do my makeup, don't do my lashes, and I'll just do mascara, or I will do lashes and brows and nothing else. So if you're someone who is like me and you just want something really quick, 1, 2, 3, this makeup is the makeup for you. Really quick before we jump into today's actual video, I wanted to give a special shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. When they reached out to me, it was literally a no-brainer. I worked with them last year and my pieces from last year are still in amazing shape and amazing quality. I received 2 pieces from them this year, and that is these earrings here and then my longer necklace that I'm wearing. I'm going to insert some clips of the jewelry like close up. The 2 pieces that I picked out are both sterling silver and they are 14 karat gold plated. Ana Luisa is super sustainable and all of their jewelry is timeless, and I am so excited that I got to work with them again this year. So both of my pieces arrived in their own little really cute cloth dust bags. The earrings arrived in this more teal dust bag, and then this one's my favorite. This is what my necklace arrived in, and like, I mean, hello. Are we talking about aesthetic or what? Not only does your makeup come with great storage that you can store them in and make sure that they're protected in, I love that they have something for everyone. They have something for you, they have something for mom, friends, anyone that you literally could think of. They have so many different styles, so many silhouettes. They have rings, earrings, you name it, they have it, and they're just so classy and so pretty. Like, I'm literally obsessed with their jewelry. Right now they are having their biggest sale of the year. They're doing BOGO 60. Yeah. Who else are you shopping with between Black Friday and Cyber Monday that's doing BOGO 60? I'll wait. Make sure that you get on there and use my link down below, and make sure that you get on there and shop the BOGO sale. They're doing buy one get one 60. I don't know about you guys, but I'm someone who, when I shop for other people, I tend to shop for myself too. I know, but it's okay. So make sure you head over there and make sure you get something really nice. If you guys want to see how I got today's makeup, then just keep on watching. And Lay is waking up. We gotta go. As I mentioned, nowadays I really only have like a really limited amount of time, so I already moisturized. I actually was about to go in with foundation and almost forgot primer. Sorry about the lighting being a little weird. The sun's out, I have my light in front of me, and I'm literally in front of the window, so sorry if the light looks a little bit funny, but I'm going in. I didn't even show you guys because I'm already like doing my routine as quickly as I normally do it. But I don't know if you guys seen it. I'm using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. The next product I'm going in with is my L'Oreal True Match. This is in the shade W4. Lately, whenever I actually do have time to do my makeup, I normally just do concealer and some contour. But for the sake of today's video, and also the fact that I want like one even base today, because I do have somewhere to go today with the baby and with babe, so we want to actually, you know, put a little bit of effort into our makeup today. But for the sake of today's video, I am doing my foundation. I have recently been just doing like concealer and like my contour stick. Today I'm actually going to my little cousin's birthday and I'm not going to be redoing my makeup again, so I just wanted to show you guys my quick updated like everyday makeup. So I do have my lashes on right now, but I am someone who I can literally do my lashes in the car, like at a stoplight. So my lashes are something that, like, if I am able to do them, I will. But if not, it's not a big deal. I just will bring a mascara with me or something, so I don't skip on my lashes, because I just feel like your lashes and like your brows are two things that just bring your look together. I feel like when you skip your eyes, you kind of look like a zombie, which is funny. So for concealer today, we're going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm using the shade Light Beige. Right now I have no color, and this really just does it as far as like brightening my under eye. It gives me that full coverage that I'm looking for. Even though I'm doing a little bit more of like a natural look, I still want it to actually do its job and like cover. I don't know if you guys can see the brightness that's going on, but this is why I really have been enjoying this particular concealer. The next item that I'm going in with is the Maybelline the Superstay Foundation Stick, and I have this in the shade Mocha. After I do my cream contour, I am gonna go in with my La Mercier powder. The sun is shining in my window so hard, I'm like trying to hide from it so that I don't ruin the lighting that I have going on. But anyways, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder, and this powder is so freaking good. When I tell you guys, this has changed how my makeup comes out. The reason why I love this powder is because it's really good at making everything set beautifully. So normally after I set my under eye with the La Mercier, I'll go in with this and I will just set my whole entire face, even on top of the cream bronzer, and it will just make everything look seamless and flawless. And it only takes like one time around for you to do it. Like, you don't have to sit there and keep putting more and more on. I have this in the shade Medium, and I don't know if it picks up on camera, but I just feel like everything looks so much more seamless and blended, and it just looks so good, especially right here where your cream contour and your concealer mesh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I feel like this does the trick for me. I actually keep this in my purse, which is probably why it's already cracked, but I just keep this in my purse and I like to use it to blot. And anytime I know I'm going somewhere where I'm gonna have to put my mask on and take it off, that's really good at like being able to go in and like touch up your makeup. So that normally stays in my purse with me. I love it. Chef's kiss. To set the cream contour, I'm going to go in with this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Deep. I'm using this today just to go in and bronze up. In the winter months, my face normally tends to get like a little bit flushed anyways because it's cold outside, and in the winter months that's normally what tends to happen, so I use a lot less blush. So when I'm racing out the house, I really haven't been putting blush on. I've been standing for blush, but getting ready now, I really haven't been using it, to be honest. I do take a little bit of that bronzer on my lids because I don't do eyeshadow, but I do like some color on there. One of the last things I do before I'm done my makeup is I take this Gimme Brow from Benefit. I have this in the shade 5, and you guys know I normally do my brows with like Got To Be, but when I'm in a rush, this is so small, I can just take this, throw it in my bag, and I just go out the door. If it was up to me and I had more time, I would obviously use my Got To Be because I prefer that look a little better. I've been thinking about going back to the old way that I used to do my eyebrows, like actually filling them in, or like going to get them waxed and then like filling them in again, but I'm like torn. I don't know if I want to do that because I've grown my eyebrows out for so long now. Only 2 more steps of this little 10 to 15 minute routine. The last step is taking my Laneige lip sleeping mask, and we're just gonna pop this on the lips. I have one of these in a tube in my purse, and this is just perfect because not only is it like a chapstick and it moisturizes your lips and everything, but it also gives you that kind of like look of a lip gloss, even though it's not. And I just love how it looks. It makes your look like you're wearing more than chapstick, even though that is really just a chapstick. When I do have time, I do put a little tiny bit of highlighter on. Not a lot, nothing crazy. I'm just a little bit on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on high points of my cheek, just with my finger. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I normally don't even have, I was using brushes for a while, and then I stopped using brushes and went back to using my beauty blender to blend everything in because I just don't have time to have all of those items out and like to be switching brushes. And yeah, using a beauty blender is just like 1,000 times easier. Sometimes I'll put this in the inner parts of my eye just to give me like a little pizzazz, make me feel cute. So this is all I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my 10-15 minute mommy friendly makeup. This is all that I really do. This is only for the days that I'm like going out and I know that I just like want to look put together, or even like when I'm in the house and I just want to look put together and like feel good about myself. This is what I've been doing. Make sure you guys definitely don't forget to check out analuisa.com. They are having their biggest sale of the season. It is BOGO, buy one get one 60% off. I mentioned it at the beginning of the video. Anyone who is looking for gifting items, they are the way to go. Make sure you guys head over there. The link will be in my description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I will see you guys in the next video. I have to go be a mom. Bye guys.